everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're diving into something a bit different. If you're a massage therapist or just someone who enjoys having a high-quality table for your self-care routine, you're going to want to hear all about the STRONGLITE Massage Table Package Classic Deluxe. This package includes the table itself, a face cradle, pillow, and a sturdy carry case. Whether you're practicing at home or on the go, this setup is built to handle all the needs of a professional or personal massage space. So let's see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, let's talk about the specifications. This table is designed for comfort and strength, with a 3-inch foam cushioning system that provides support without sacrificing comfort. It's made with durable hard maple, ensuring the structure is solid. The table supports up to 800 pounds, making it incredibly sturdy for all body types. The frame also features a double knob leg extension, allowing you to adjust the height between 23 inches and 33 inch with ease. The upholstery is called Nature's Touch, which is an eco-friendly vinyl material. It's available in 4 colors: black, burgundy, royal blue, and teal, so you can pick the shade that fits your style. And if you're wondering about how flat this table can go, it comes with shiatsu release cables on the braces that allow you to lay the table flat, which is a fantastic feature for certain types of massage techniques. Now, let's talk about real-world use. I've had the chance to test out this table for a few different purposes: personal massages and a bit of DIY relaxation, and it really stood up to the task. The foam padding was comfortable enough to lie on for extended periods without feeling too firm or too soft. It's one of those things where, after lying on it, you can tell it's built for serious comfort without compromising on the sturdiness that's necessary for professional use. Setting it up is pretty straightforward, especially with the double rubber knobs that securely lock the legs into place. Whether you're tall or short, the adjustable height makes it easy to find the perfect position. And when you're done, it folds up to a compact size, 36 inch by 30 inch by 10 inch, which makes it super portable and easy to store in tight spaces. Let's quickly go through the pros and cons. On the plus side, this table feels incredibly solid. No wobbling or instability when you're using it. The cushion is thick and supportive, which is great for longer sessions. I also love how easy it is to adjust, and the fact that it comes with a carrying case is a huge bonus for anyone needing to travel with it. The warranty is also a big selling point, with lifetime coverage on the frame and a 3-year warranty on the upholstery, foam, and headrest. On the flip side, one thing to keep in mind is the weight. At 35 pounds, it's not the lightest table out there. While it's still portable, it's something to consider if you're traveling a lot or need to set it up and break it down frequently. Also, while the upholstery is eco-friendly, vinyl can sometimes be less breathable than other materials, so it's something to consider for long hours of use. In terms of value for money, this table is priced higher than some of the basic options out there, but I think the quality justifies it. The strength, comfort, and thoughtful design make it worth the investment, especially for anyone who's serious about massage therapy or looking for a reliable, durable table for personal use. If you're looking at other options, there are a few budget-friendly massage tables that might work if you're just starting out, but in terms of long-term durability and comfort, the STRONGLITE massage table stands out. There are cheaper tables available, but you often sacrifice quality, stability, and longevity. As far as build quality goes, this table feels extremely solid. The frame's construction with hard maple wood is a huge plus, and the portability is on point as well. You get a lot of value in a compact, easy-to-use package with a long-lasting design. The foam feels durable, and it doesn't flatten out after extended use, which is a concern with some other cheaper options. In terms of customer support, STRONGLITE has a reputation for being reliable. I haven't personally needed to reach out to them, but they offer a lifetime warranty on the frame and a 3-year warranty on the rest, which shows they stand behind their products. So if something were to go wrong, it seems like they would handle it promptly. If you've used this product or a similar one, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Did it meet your expectations, or was there something you wished could have been different? Drop a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching today's review. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Your support really helps us bring more honest reviews to the channel. If you're interested in this table, check the description box for the link to purchase. And as always, stay beautiful inside and out, and until next time.